India intensifies cyber security checks amid concerns over advanced AI system risk. India intensifying the cyber security checks across the digital infrastructure as the concerns are rising because of potential risks associated with the Anthropic's advanced AI system. Mythos, government agencies, cyber security teams, and major technology firms are evaluating vulnerabilities in the banking platforms, public digital systems, and enterprise software. India starts security testing against Anthropic's Mythos AI threat. India has reportedly initiated the coordinated testing effort to assess whether the critical digital infrastructure can withstand threats associated with advanced artificial intelligence systems. The focus is to be on sensitive sectors such as the financial system, banking software, government digital platforms, enterprise operational infrastructure, mission critical applications. The exercise reflects the growing global concern about how highly capable AI systems could be misused or unintentionally creates the cyber security vulnerabilities. What is the Anthropic Mythos threat? Reports suggest that Mythos, an advanced AI system linked the Anthropic, has triggered the security discussion because of it has potential capabilities in automation, reasoning, software interaction, and digital task execution. While the AI tools offer enormous productivity benefits and the powerful systems may also raise security questions if exploited for the automated vulnerability discovery, code manipulation, social engineering support, advanced cyber reconnaissance, large-scale system testing. Why India's financial and government systems are being tested? Critical infrastructure has become increasingly dependent onto the interconnected software systems that makes resilience testing essential. Potential focus areas likely includes the payment infrastructure, banking application, government service portals, data governance systems, secure authentication layers, cloud infrastructure resilience. A disruption in these systems could create the major operational and economic consequences. Role of India's technology firms in the security exercise. Major Indian IT and consulting firms are reportedly involved into the supporting these assessments. Large enterprise technology companies bring expertise into the software architecture testing, threat simulation, infrastructure hardening, cloud security, incident response planning, AI governance frameworks. Public-private security coordination is to become increasingly necessary as threats evolve faster than traditional regulatory models.